Hi guys, and welcome to my very first YouTube makeup tutorial. My name is Jasmine, and today we're going to be doing a very easy and natural makeup tutorial, which is mostly drugstore, so it's really great for anybody who is on a budget. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with concealer, and this is actually what I use for foundation, so that way it doesn't look too heavy on the face. But I'm only going to concentrate the concealer under my eyes and around my eyebrows. So the concealer will act as a way to shape your eyebrows without actually using any brow product. And I'm just concealing under my eyes and a little bit on my cheeks since I have some redness there, and blending it out with a fluffy brush. So doing these two makes your makeup look a lot more natural rather than caking your face with a lot of foundation. But if you are somebody who does like to do their eyebrows, then here I'm just showing the Anastasia pomade with a eyebrow brush. And of course, if you want to keep it more natural, just follow your natural eyebrow shape. And with the leftover concealer on the concealer brush, just go ahead and clean up the eyebrows. Since we hardly put any concealer on our forehead, on our cheeks, on our chin, maybe even on the nose, it's going to look very natural, when you're out in the sunlight, because there isn't going to be a whole bunch of makeup on your face. And that's basically what the goal is. Okay, so as you guys saw, I grabbed the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I find that this has a very natural skin-like finish, so I'm just grabbing my fluffy brush and dusting that all over my face. And now this next item is definitely something I love to use on a daily basis. It gives you a really nice golden goddess type of look, and it's the Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer. I'm using it with my Morphe brush, and I basically concentrated on my cheeks, my forehead, and on my nose. And a little trick I'm going to do is put it on my eyelids. It's just a very easy, on the go type of eyeshadow look. And always remember to get some loose powder on a little brush and just bake under the bronzer. It's going to give you a very clean look, and I feel like this is really crucial when you're using bronzer. Alright, and shout out to Fenty for coming out with my favorite highlighting product. I wouldn't even really call it a highlighting product, only because it's more so glittery, but in the best way possible. It definitely looks the most beautiful when you're out in the sun. So I mainly put it on the tops of my cheekbones and on my eyelids, and I use a stipple brush to blend everything out and make sure there's no harsh lines. Okay, so I'm just grabbing my good old eyelash curler, curling my eyelashes with that. Now I'm grabbing my NYX Jumbo eye pencil in black, and with actually the same brush I used to do my eyebrows. I just, wipe off the excess that was on it, and I find it's really easy to do with this brush because it has a angled tip. So basically what you want to do here is almost create a triangle on the outside of your lid and connect it to the very middle of your lid. The important part to note here is that it's okay if your wing does not look perfect right now, because in a second I will show you a really easy trick to do to always have your wing come out really perfect and sharp. I like to use a eye pencil rather than liquid eyeliner for days that I want to look more natural, because I just feel like it's not so dark and it just gives it a more smokiness to your eye. So basically during this step, you want to give the wing the overall shape that you want it to be. And by the way, if I did miss any of the products that I am using, all of the products and brushes will be listed in the description box. Now this is the secret weapon to creating the perfect eye wing. So with the concealer brush again, this is where you want to shape it and make it look very, very sharp on the edges. And again, you can just use the excess concealer that was on the brush, and that should do the trick for it. My favorite mascara ever is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Sensational? Try saying that 3 times fast. And since we had already curled our eyelashes, we can go straight into putting the mascara on them. And as you can see, what a difference it is when you put mascara on, especially when you use this mascara. I have recommended this mascara to countless of people and they've all fallen in love with it, so that has to say something, right? Alrighty, so that was pretty much the whole makeup look. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed that. As you guys know, this is my first makeup video, so I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribed, and I really, really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!